ARMotors was founded in 2008, originally located in Alcos. At the time, we specialized in Porsche cars only, but then we expanded our expertise into motorsport with winning several UAE championships and participating in 24-hour races. In 2011, we moved to DIP and started specializing in Ferrari and Maserati. And now we have a state-of-the-art facility in DIC with 10 specialized brands. We can accommodate any repairs, starting with a normal maintenance and service, tire and brake replacements, oil leaks, suspension works with calibrations, and programming and coding for electrical equipment, upgrading engine performance and exhaust, PPF and foiling installation, gearbox and engine overhaul of new cars as well as classic cars, paint and restoration works. So come visit us for a coffee and have a look at this entire facility. And if you're a car enthusiast, we do have a lot of projects and cars from here for you to have a look. Or just contact us and we'll be happy to assist.